Hey, what's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be just kind of goofing around in Animal Company. This is this monkey. I'm not gonna shout out his channel because I don't have to if I don't want to. He's very weird, very insanely annoying, and yeah. So we're just gonna get into the straight to the video. Yeah, but.
Video.
I didn't act. Stop pissing me off.
Video.
Alright, so today we're gonna build a contraption. It consists of this, like this. You light it. You activate this one. Throw it. Perfect!
I don't think that went well.
And also, you can just do this. It makes a really cool effect if you just go like that. Get back here.
Yo, EJ, go on. Yo, EJ, look.
Die, mortal.
Yo, EJ, go on. My bad.
No. And guess what, bro? Guess what? Chicken butt. Alright, so let's grab these. Can you do me a favor? Can you just like stand right here?
Oh yeah, sure. I got you. Hit me up, boy!
See you later, alligator. Oh. I'm about to send him back into Africa. Where's he go? Bro, where did this monkey go? Fuck, I missed.
Huh? What? Then you run all the way like a stupid.
Alright, the next thing we're gonna mess around with is bottle flip.
Poor big guy.
I didn't axe, bro. Actually, we're gonna make. Alright, guys, today we're gonna make my friend a nice
Alright,
piece
guys,
of cheese.
in today's video, we're gonna be autistic.
Hey, bro, do you want some cheese? There's nothing odd about. Hold on. Yo, don't look at what I'm doing, okay? Hey, do you want some cheese? Do you want some cheese? Do you want some cheese?
Yeah.
Come here. Here you go. Here's the cheese.
Wait, hold up, wait.
Come here. Oh my god, if he doesn't hurry up!
Want some cheese?
Here you go, bro. Go ahead and take that cheese. There's
Thank
nothing.
you.
Hey, my plan backfired. Man. You want free? Free.
Not no more. I'm not greedy for free no more.
Yo, look over there. It's your crush. It's your high school crush.
Me.
Yo, bro, look over there. It's a big Woody Latino. Look. Oh my god. Doesn't work.
Already got someone.
Also, I don't know if I said this in the intro, but boom. Oh wait, hold on. Boom. Make sure you join my fan code H-I-B-A.
Shiba.
She.
His fan code is Shiba.
Oh my god, I didn't! This is my fan code right here. Join that.
Yeah, join now, or else the spider's gonna be under your pillow.
Alright, well, I think I'm just gonna end the video here because this guy is very boring and kind of weird. I won't even lie with you. He smells like Dookie, as you can obviously see. I think he his pants. So
How'd you know?
later, people of